everyone, welcome back to my channel Preeti She's and I am Preeti. So a lot of things are happening right now in my life, including I resigned my job, I went to Bombay and a lot more. So you're going to see a lot of vlogs now because I think I should get back on YouTube. So today I have a shoot for Lakme Academy. So I'll take you throughout that. I'll let you know what happens there and we'll have a lot of fun. So let's go.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a...
I was on time, so I didn't take a bus. The walking distance is 10 minutes, so I'm just walking, just chilling because it's 7:30 and I have to reach by 8.
Good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a 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 good day.
I had to walk 3 floors and nobody's on time. I reached before time and now I have to wait. Meet the team behind this look. Hi.
टाइम नहीं मिला था टाइम नहीं बना रहे
With the shoot one. There's one more shoot left. So we'll go back to the academy and shoot it and then I can go home. Oh, my head hurts. There's maybe 1,000 clips here. So my shoot is done and the UPI is coming. So it's 4:30 and we'll go home together.